Hello everyone. So Government of India has recently revealed the logo and key flagship initiatives for India AI Impact Summit 2026. So the India AI Impact Summit will be hosted by Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology on February 19-20, 2026 in New Delhi. First time such a global AI summit is being hosted by a global south nation, that is India. Theme will be guided on three sutras, that is people, planet and progress, and discussions will revolve around 7 thematic chakras. Now what is the significance of this logo? जो logo है, it is based on Ashoka chakra, which is a symbol of ethical governance, justice and constitutional values. Neural network flares radiate outwards, symbolizing AI's transformative impact across languages, industries and geographies, bridging divides and enabling inclusive progress. You can see this is the logo. Okay. Key initiatives launched were AI Pitch Fest, that is Udaan. यहाँ पर startups from tier 2 and tier 3 cities with focus on women and differently abled change makers will showcase innovative AI startups. Global innovation challenges for youth, women and other participants. And then we have research symposium, where interdisciplinary forum for AI research, especially on global south. Then there we have AI Expo, 300 plus exhibitors from 30 plus countries with 10 plus thematic pavilions. 8 new foundational model initiatives were launched, जिनका एम है इंडिया स्पेसिफिक AI मॉडल्स, ठीक है, फॉर एग्रीकल्चर, हेल्थ केयर, गवर्नेंस, साइंटिफिक डिस्कवरी एटसेट्रा. जैसे कि एवेटार AI है, ये स्पेशलाइज्ड AI एवेटार्स होंगे फॉर इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस एंड डोमेन्स जैसे एग्रीकल्चर, हेल्थ केयर, गवर्नेंस. देन भारत जन बाय IIT बॉम्बे, ये मल्टीलिंगुअल मॉडल्स होंगे फ्रॉम 2B to 1T पैरामीटर्स. देन वी हैव फ्रैक्टल एनालिटिक्स लिमिटेड, large reasoning models for STEM disciplines and medical problem solving. Then Tech Mahindra Makers Lab, this will be model for Indic languages with focus on Hindi dialects plus Orion platform for government use. Then we have Zentic developed by Brahm AI, science driven multi-model model है for engineering, intelligence, scientific computing. Then we have GenLoop, small model for all 22 scheduled Indian languages, ठीक है. Then we have IntelliHealth, this will be for neurological disorder detection via EEG signal, okay. And then we have Shodh AI, material discovery model, ठीक है. Then we have India AI fellowship program and portal, जो कि expanded to support 13,500 scholars covering 8,000 undergraduates, 5,000 postgraduates and 500 PhD researchers. और ये fellowship open है to multiple disciplines जैसे engineering, medicine, law, commerce, business, liberal arts, okay. And then we will discuss about the 3 sutras, that is people. इसका मतलब है कि AI जो है, it must serve humanity, it should be for human dignity, multilingual systems, inclusive access, okay. And then we have planet AI for climate resilience, environment protection, sustainability, okay. And then progress, इसका है कि जो डेटा है वो डेमोक्रेटाइज होना चाहिए, इक्विटेबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन होनी चाहिए ऑफ AI's benefits and अप्लाई होना चाहिए AI for governance, health care, education. Now the 7 chakras include human capital, which will focus on addressing employment, skilling and workforce transformation. Then inclusion for social empowerment. Inclusion for social empowerment के लिए हम फोकस करेंगे on languages, skilling, cultures, accessibility, prevent करेंगे gender and data biases. Then safe and trusted AI, सेफ्टी टेस्टिंग करेंगे, ट्रांसपेरेंसी इंश्योर करेंगे, ऑडिटिंग होनी चाहिए, इंटरऑपरेबल गवर्नेंस एंड इंश्योरेंस मैकेनिज्म्स होने चाहिए. देन रेजिलियंस, इनोवेशन, एफिशिएंसी. AI should be resource efficient, reducing disparities. Then for science, AI for global research and innovation. Then democratizing AI resources, इसके लिए एक्सेस होना चाहिए सभी का to data, models, okay, and critical infrastructure. Then AI for economic development and social good, इसका यूज़ होना चाहिए in public interest sectors. This summit will see participation from different countries of the world and positions India as a global South leader in the AI governance. So remember the guiding principles, flagship initiatives and India's progress in AI infrastructure. I hope आपको समझ आया होगा. Thank you for watching. For the PDF, you can check the link in description. Thank you.